Hey everyone, this is Danish from jobskillshare.org. Today is a great day. It's a morning, sunny day, and it's beautiful outside. But today I want to talk about something very important, and this is something about logs and why you should learn about logs, and kind of take this as an advice from someone who has been through this stuff, and why I think logs helped me in my career, learning about logs and reading about logs, and what kind of tools I have used when I worked on this logs kind of stuff, and why it's so important. Because one of the main reason why learning about logs is so important to an IT person is either you're going to be living a stressful life in IT where you are going to be resolving issue but in a hard way. You're going to be working 3 times more than a person who knows about logs. Or if you are really good at logs, and you will be very you won't worry about too much about these issues, because you know where to check, you know where the problem is, you know in a few seconds, few queries, few commands, you can just get to the point, get to the issue, and resolve it right from there. Because that's how logging, that's why logs are for. That's why developers create logs, to help them with application issues and things like that. So what would be the best tool that can not only train yourself, but it can also help you with jobs? When you go to interviews, you should be able to talk about it. People know about these tools and stuff like that. So I'm going to start with a Microsoft tool which is called Log Parser. It comes in a command line, and Log Parser Studio is a GUI base, which is kind of like a graphical interface of Log Parser. Now, what I want you to do is this. I know as a help desk person, you would not be needing this log parser kind of stuff. But if you are a member of JobSkillshare, I know a lot of people are going for entry-level jobs. It is best to start with playing around with this tool. Get to learn about this tool. Now, this tool is mainly used by system administrator for IIS, which is kind of like a web server from Microsoft, and Event Viewer, which is kind of like the Microsoft Windows events. Anything that happens for application security, any security lockouts and stuff like that, and you get to see that. You can actually use Log Parser for more than just that. But the events right there could be a best place for any entry level to start learning about how to use Log Parser on a Windows events. So this way you will learn how to query through Log Parser, how to run some commands, and I will make a video on this too. I will make a screen recording video on this also, because this is a very important topic right here, and a lot of people need this when they grow and they want to become a system admin. You really need to know how to know what's going on in your web server, on IIS web server, and you will definitely at some point be sharing logs with application developers or some other companies that are working with you, or maybe yourself. Somebody's complaining about sites, somebody's complaining about servers, and you need to know what's going on here. All these requests are getting logged. Somebody go to your site and they're on IIS web server, every single thing is getting logged in that file, whatever you want it to be. Oh, you can even put custom stuff in there. What I want you to do is this: go to youtube.com and type Log Parser and do some tutorials on Log Parser. Then go to Google and go to some Microsoft sites and learn about Log Parser and why it is important. You will learn it in a long run if you want to advance your career, if you want to become that high-level IT person who knows a lot of stuff through logs, who is able to solve questions and solve issues in an easy way. Log Parser is where you need to start, because the reason I'm focusing on Log Parser is kind of a known name. It's a known tool to everyone out there as a system administrator. If you're applying for jobs, you want something like that. You want to do something new. You want to bring something new to your resume. A lot of people will bring normal stuff like certification, MCSA, and this and that, Server 2012. Everybody have that now. Everybody have that. People are looking for something new. So you need to come up with these type of tools which is known to us, which is known to other system administrators. They are using it on a daily basis for their work. Even not in system administrators, .NET developers, everyone, I mean, they use these kind of tools. And once you get started from here, you will go to advanced tools like Splunk, other big tools where they can collect logs from any other systems out there, and in one place they can check the logs. And this is where you will get to you will have a habit of checking logs. I know a lot of people in help desk, when they start from things, everything is a GUI based and everything is a click and deploy, click and do this. click and run this, right click and do this, something like that will work with you for this level. But when you go to the system level, you're actually working on an application in a very specific detail, mini kind of things, and that's where you will need logs. You will not the GUI and other stuff will not help you too much in here like other applications. You will really need to know the logs of that application where the issue is going on. So this is why I wanted to share this video. I hope you guys do your research on this. I hope this video, this log parser kind of things, or these kind of suggestions will help you in the future. Thank you, and I'll see you in a different video.